Your brand new iPhone deserves the best protection, and the iLune 3-Pack Screen Protector Plus 3-Pack Camera Lens Protector has you covered. Don't take risks with your iPhone. Click the link in the video description to shop now on Amazon.
Welcome to ElectroDrive News, where we dive into the latest trends and innovations in the electric vehicle industry. I'm your host, Emma, and today we're talking about a record-breaking quarter for fully electric vehicles and plug-in hybrids. According to a new study by management consultants PwC, 1 in 4 cars sold worldwide in Q1 were either electric or hybrid. That's right, folks, over 25% of global car sales are now electric. The numbers are staggering. 2.7 million BEVs and 1.4 million PHEVs were sold across 40 major markets, representing a 42% increase in BEV sales year-on-year. Now let's take a closer look at the market share. China led the growth in BEV sales with a whopping 55% increase to 1.6 million units. That's a huge jump, and it's not surprising given China's growing focus on electric vehicle adoption. However, German automakers saw a sharp decline in sales in China, down by a third. That's some serious competition. But despite this decline, German carmakers managed a 38% increase in BEV sales overall, driven by a 39% surge in their domestic market, Germany. That's the kind of growth we're talking about when it comes to the EV industry. And it's not just German manufacturers that are making waves. Local brands like Geely and Wuling in China are also starting to make a name for themselves. In Europe, BEV sales grew by 28%, reaching 574,000 units. That's some serious momentum, and it's clear that consumers are starting to take notice of the benefits of electric vehicles. And let's not forget about Tesla. Although they may have lost ground in China, they still lead the US market. But what does this mean for the future of the EV industry? According to PwC expert Felix Kunert, German automakers need to reduce costs and prices, especially when it comes to battery production. They also need to focus on quality and safety. Consumers are increasingly demanding that from their vehicles. And then there's the question of battery supply chains. Jörn Neuhausen from PwC says that Europe needs to invest in its own battery production and supply infrastructure to compete globally. That's a crucial step forward for any manufacturer looking to make it big in the EV industry. So what does this all mean for us as consumers? Well, one thing is clear. The future of transportation is electric, and we can expect to see even more innovative models and technologies hitting the market in the coming years. That's all for today on ElectroDrive News. Thanks for joining us.